everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So it depends what kind of navigation bar you've got set, because we have to enter the recents. And if you've got 3 navigation buttons option applied, then you will have to tap on this probably square or 3 bars icon in order to open the recents. But if you've got the gestures just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here in order to open the recent. So let me do it, and as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. So if you want to, you can close only one of it, then just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, then you have to go to the very left of the list and tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close background apps in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.